Hello everyone, Identitarian here. You probably know me as a beacon of far-right values, and I'm proud to hold that place in our community. You know me as the guy that wrecks leftists, puts degeneracy in its place, and calls out subversion when he sees it. I have made so many great far-right allies in this community, and I understand that being in a position of prominence in the community will lead to scrutiny, and it's my job to live up to that scrutiny. Someone went digging through my tweet history and has shown some tweets that paint me in a very incriminating light. As you can see, these tweets show me engaging in progressivism. Yes, it's true. In my younger years, I was a libtard. Now, I will be the first to say that I do not condone any of these heinous words. I was young and stupid. I didn't know what I was saying. How could I? However, I must say that some of these tweets were taken entirely out of context. I mean, look at this one. What I was trying to say here was that I don't support human rights. What really breaks my heart is how harsh everybody is being. I mean, everybody harps on me for the bad things that I said, but nobody gives me credit for all the good things I said as well. I'm not ashamed of the person that I was, because the person I am now is so much more based and so much more red-pilled, and I am so unashamed that I deleted all those tweets. They're gone now. We all make mistakes when we're young, but we also get to grow as people. I never would have turned against progressivism if I hadn't experienced firsthand what it had to offer. Be proud of the experiences that made you into the person that you are today, because my experiences made me into who I am, and I like to imagine that I am a pillar in this community and an example to look up to. Hail Hitler.